Good day everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to use alternate color button here in Google Sheets. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Now do not worry if you're not familiar with the whole interface of Google Sheets, you're a beginner or even a first timer in using this software, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do this thing. Now, before proceeding with anything else, I want you to make sure that the Google Chrome or the browser that you are using, either you are using Mac or you are using Windows, is completely up to date. And this is for the reason that we can avoid any unexpected errors that we may encounter along the way if we do so. Now, as you can see, I'm currently on a Google spreadsheet file, and I have here even a sparkline, a few datas. And by the way, if you're interested in watching a beginner's guide or separate tutorials that discovers the different functions and features of Google Excel or Google Spreadsheet, please be sure to check out the dedicated playlist that we have provided in our YouTube channel that compiles all the Google Sheets tutorial. Now let us get started with the alternate color itself. Now from the previous videos of alternating colors, I showed you on how you can also do it using the manual way of highlighting and then putting a color. But this time we are going to use a very useful button, which is the alternate color button here in Google Spreadsheet. Now all we have to do is to highlight the columns or rows that we would like to put an alternating color to, and then as you can see in the upper panel we have the ribbon in which we have different options that we can choose from, and right here we have the color option. This is where we want to focus in this video. Click on it once and as you can see it will drop down tons of colors, palettes, and different options that we can choose from, but we want to focus on the bottom one which says alternating colors. Click on this one and as you can see we have the different colors and styles that we can choose from it. Let's say for example I want a blue one, the green one, orange one, and also you can remove the highlight of your cell once you have already put the alternating colors. As you can see we have already set it from cell E1 to cell M25, and here we can change the different colors of our cells. You can change it manually if you want by clicking on this one. This is the color one, this is this color. We got the color 2, which is this color, which is the white one. Let's say for example I want it to be this blue one. As you can see we can change it by ourselves. We can want this in the yellow one, we can change it by ourselves. And then suppose that we can use the alternate color button here in Google Sheets to make alternative colors on our cells to make it more look pleasing and aesthetically pleasing. Now if you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like, and from here I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.